Welcome to this video where we will be explaining how to run masm software and run it using DOSBox. We will mount the drive into the folder containing the masm software. Use the mount command to mount C drive in DOSBox. Once the drive is mounted, we will enter the drive using C. Use the edit command to create a new file. Save the file with the extension .sm. Let's save it as program.sm. Now let us edit the code in Notepad for convenience. The following assembly code creates two arrays, namely array, an array to which are initialized in the X segment of the assembly code. Numbers are initialized in both arrays. So in this code, basically there are two segments which are X segment and Y segment, where X segment is the declaration segment and Y segment is the code segment. We initially start with X segment followed by declaration of arrays. In the line 2 and 3 we have declared the arrays. Multiple arrays can be declared in a segment. In this program we have declared two-bit numbers with H on it, which states that it is in hexadecimal format. The declaration segment ends with X ends. Next, the code segment has to be created by typing Y segment. After creation, we need to assume that Y is code segment and X is declaration segment. Here offset array 1 means the initial position of array 1, which is 0, and initial position of array 2 will be 8. The array 2 starts from 8 because the numbers used in array 1 and array 2 are two-bit numbers. Since there are four separate set of numbers in array 1, the position increments by 2. Inc si is nothing but increment in the starting position, and here twice is incremented because 1 increment will increment si by 1 bit. But the numbers we have given are 2 bits, so twice we will increment. To increment array to numbers we will use inc di twice. Now total numbers which we have to change is 4, so we will use decrement cx, which will decrement from 4 to 3, then 3 to 2, and so on. Next jump statement will be used in order to go back to label again. Next command will be masm space programism, which converts the asm file to obj file. After typing this command, hit enter once and again 3 more times. In order to convert the obj file to x file, we need to type a command link space program obj, then hit enter. Again, hit enter 3 more times. There will be a warning of no stack segment. It appears because we didn't use stack here, which not a problem in this case. To run the X file, type the command td space program x and hit enter. The array in this program can be viewed by clicking on the dump option in the menu bar. The dump option shows all the assembler code and bytecode of the selected instruction, like move, jump, or increment decrement. This is useful for analyzing how memory is managed and allocated to the registers. The right side table shows all the commutator register, base register, counter register, and zero flag registers. We can run the assembly code by pressing shortcut F9, and this causes the values in the array 1 to be changed. We can verify this by using the dump option in the menu. We hope you understood how to use DOSBox to run assembly code. Thank you.